Hi, I'm Bruce from Unior Bike Tools. I'm here to introduce our Euro17 Multitool made right here in Slovenia. The Euro17 is a lightweight, composite-handled multi-tool with chrome spindles and black oxide tips for the absolutely best tolerances in the industry. The Euro17 multi-tool has hex 2 through 8 millimeters, Torx T10 and T25, a Phillips PH1 screwdriver, a 5 by 1 millimeter flathead screwdriver, a valve core remover tool, as well as spoke keys 3.3 millimeter, 3.45 millimeter, and DT Swiss squirts. Basically, you can fix everything on the trail that you need to fix to get you home in an emergency. As it says in the name, the Euro17 is made here in Slovenia in the heart of Europe. Visit us for more information at juniorbiketools.com.